Hi everyone, this is Yurik Lozano, the Director of Marketing for Empire Medical Training. I am super excited to be here at the Global Aesthetic Conference. I just want to invite every single vendor here to come see us.
Hello, my name is Riza and I'm the Director of Operations with Empire Medical Training. I'm so excited to showcase our seminars and everything Empire Medical Training has to offer, along with our affiliate companies Ilari Threads and Ilari Skin.
Hey guys, Dr. Cosentino, President of Empire Medical Training, Ilari Threads, and Ilari Skin. We want to invite you to learn about our different companies. We have our state-of-the-art training center in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And as you know, Empire Medical Training offers training programs throughout the country in aesthetics, anti-aging, pain management, and also business courses.
We've been in the industry for over 24 years and we have 175,000 successful graduates.
A lot of these procedures, if not all, are operator dependent. So it's very, very important that you not only get the right product, but that you get very, very good training.
Looking forward to making connections, networking, and being able to bring more vendor partnerships to our seminars and providing more resources for our attendees.
Hopefully I get to meet you in our Fort Lauderdale office, at our center, or at one of the training programs across the country. Thank you.